Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your annual report for an LLC in Maryland. Filing this report is crucial for maintaining your business's good standing with the state. We'll cover what information you need, the filing process, associated fees, and important deadlines to help you stay compliant. Understanding these steps ensures your Maryland LLC continues to operate smoothly and avoids potential penalties. When preparing your annual report, you'll need several key pieces of information. This includes your LLC's legal name, its principal address, and your unique department ID number. You'll also need your federal employer identification number, a brief statement of your business purpose, and the names of your members or managers. Additionally, if your business owns, leases, or uses personal property exceeding $20,000 in Maryland, you must include a personal property tax return. Maryland offers two primary ways to file your annual report. The quickest and most cost-effective method is online through Maryland Business Express, which has no state filing fee. If you prefer to file by mail, a $300 fee is required, payable to the State Department of Assessments and Taxation. Remember, paper filings must include original signatures. Online filings generally process within 3 to 5 business days, while complex paper filings can take longer. The annual report deadline for all Maryland LLCs is April 15. If you anticipate needing more time, you can request a 60-day extension online at no cost, but this must be done before the April 15 deadline. Failing to file on time can result in late penalties, starting at $30 and potentially reaching $500. More severely, noncompliance can lead to your LLC losing its good standing, or even administrative dissolution by the state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.